Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys. I created this look for you guys today, and I created it using this palette from Alamar Cosmetics called Reina del Caribe. I got this palette in my Boxycharm box this month. I reviewed this palette in this video. I also swatched it for you guys, so if you guys want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my social media that I will link down below. And once again, if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by priming my face with this new Smashbox Petal Metal Primer. Next I'm going to take this It Cosmetics by Under Eye. And I'm going to conceal my dark circles. And I'm going to blend it in with this Beauty Professional brush. And I'm going to use this end. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Light Tan. And I'm going to take the other end to this brush to apply my foundation. Next I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. Next I'm going to take my Damp Beauty Blender and I'm going to spray some of this Coola Makeup Setting Spray. Next, you guys already know I'm going to bake, and I'm going to use my Airspun translucent powder. Next, I'm going to take a palette that came in my Boxycharm this month, and it's this palette by Alamar Cosmetics. It's called Reina del Caribe. It's so pretty. It comes with these colors right here. I'm going to swatch the colors for you guys so you guys can see them. This one is called La Costa. Super pigmented. As you can see. So I'm going to take this one right here, which is called Malecon. As you guys can tell, it's so pigmented. So some nice pretty colors. Then I'm going to take Barandero. I don't know if I said it right. Take this color. Super nice. And then the next shimmery one is in the last one. Oh no, sorry, I swatched Celia. Next I'm going to swatch Barandero. This blue one. They're super pigmented. So I don't even know what color I'm going to use, but I'm going to use that palette, and it came in this month's Boxycharm box. And I'll tell you guys the price. It says it goes for $28. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to see if I could find the link if you guys are interested in purchasing it. Which I would buy it because it's super pigmented. But first, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam, so I could use a transition color. And I'm going to use this one, which is burnt orange. Next, I'm going to go in with this palette, and I'm going to use the Cocoa Taxi. Next I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Cafecito. Next I'm going to take my Wet n Wild concealer. I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. And I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. And for my eyelid, I'm going to take the shade in Malecon. I think this is like the best palette that I've ever owned that has very pigmented shimmery eyeshadows. They're creamy and they're so easy to blend. And I only dip my brush in it once. And usually you have to keep dipping and dipping, and these, no. I'm obsessed with this palette and this color. Alright you guys, like I said, I'm obsessed with this palette. I would recommend you guys find this palette. It's worth it. Next I'm going to go in with Cafecito and I'm going to put that color in my bottom lash line. Next I'm going to take La Costa and I'm going to apply that color to my brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight as well. Next I'm going to take my Lisa Frank bronzer. Next I'm taking my Tarte Exposed blush. Next I'm taking my Beauty Professional Pro and Glow highlighter palette. I'm going to go in with this color. Next I'm going to set my face and I'm going to go in with this Pro Powder by LA Girl. Next I'm going to go back in my Boxycharm box and I'm going to take the Ultra Cosmetics lipstick that came in the box. And this is in the shade Verona. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!